this tutorial we are going to learn how can we allow our students to do the enrollment automatically. Here you can see how can we allow our students for the self-enrollment. You go to your course after login. Suppose this is your course. I have gone to my course, and on the right side you can see here admin panel of the course. We have users. Click on this arrow and then click on enrollment methods. After clicking enrollment method, you'll able to see three options. Here we have a last one is self-enrollment. So first you make sure this is visible, is active, enable it. Now do the setting. Go to setting. Right here self-enrollment name or whatever, like I have written course self-enrollment. You want to allow those students who already enrolled, they can enroll again. If they already registered and enrolled, so they don't have to allow. New enrollment, yes. So here I'm putting no. If they already enrolled, you don't have to allow again. New one, yes. Put the enrollment key. I'm putting ABC. Generally we put our course code here. You can see here. Remember, this is case sensitive. If you are using lower case, then it has a different meaning. So make sure you deliver this exact key to your students through WhatsApp group or through email, or in the class you can tell. We don't have that one. By default they will register and enroll as a student. Enrollment duration, you can put anything, 15 days they have to finish the enrollment. Suppose your course is starting from 1st, so next 15 days they have to complete the enrollment. Timing you can set from here. Enrollment expired, you don't have to put that one. Number of students, suppose in your class there are 200 students and you want to allow all the students to enroll, so you can put the number here. This one never. Then put the message, welcome to my course, and then save. This is not yet active, so you click on this one, enable it. Now next time your students after registration, they can find out your course, they can search for your course or course code, and once they will click on the enrollment, your course, the system will ask the enrollment key. They have to put the enrollment key and then they will go to your course automatically. And next time they can just log in and see your course content directly. So registration and enrollment, they are only for one time. Once they have done, next time they can log in and view your content. That's how we can allow our students for the self-enrollment. For this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.